Hello guys, and hope doing well. I have one video about NPN current limitation, and today I'm making the super simple NPN current limitation. As you can see, the emitter should be connected to the ground. The positive voltage should be connected to the base, and the output is limited by transistor and dependent to the transistor kind. For example, I'm using BC547 and it will limit the current maybe till 800 milliamps. Very good. This is the project. You can see it is super simple project. The NPN transistor, the emitter connected to the ground over 1K, the emitter and base connected to each other with 1K. Here is the schematic one more time, R1 and R2. You can use the two resistors, and also you cannot use. It is up to you, but it is much better to use the at least 2K because of the current balance. If you using the output could be changeable with R1 and R2, and if you design this at the first day that you are making your project, for later you can change it easily. Very well. The 5 volt will connect to the base over R1. The R1 is 33 ohm. That's it. Very nice. I use the unpolarized 5 volt bulb here. I'm not using the LED for this side because of I need a little bit current for this. And here is the 33 ohm resistor that I told about this. Very nice. Let's take a small test for these and then go for the next project. Very good. I use this cheap simple meter because of I'm shorting the positive and negative LEDs on this project, and I don't want to blow up my fuse. And here is the very nice. Okay, I'm connecting the leads to the ground and collector. Very nice. It is 770 milliamp. The current limitation. But here between negative and 35 ohm, you can see the current will go more than 1 milliamp, 1 amp. Sorry, oh, it is some smoke from here. I'm not sure it is for which side it is. Very good. So the last test one more time, negative and transistor output. Very well, 780 milliamp, and here is the NPN transistor current limitation. As I told, I have one more video about PNP current limitation. It is completely different with this project. Thanks for watching.